Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share with you some of the best tips and tricks for your home and garden. In today's video, I'm going to show you why decking tiles are a great alternative to building a new deck from scratch. Decking tiles are interlocking pieces of wood or composite material that you can easily install on top of your existing surface, such as concrete, wood, or grass. They have many benefits that make them a smart and convenient choice for your outdoor space. Let's take a look at some of them. First of all, decking tiles are very easy to install. You don't need any tools, skills, or experience to do it yourself. You just snap them together and create your own custom pattern and design. You can also remove them individually if you need to repair or replace them. This makes them ideal for temporary or rental situations, as you can take them with you when you move out. Secondly, decking tiles are very durable and low maintenance. They are resistant to staining, fading, warping, and rotting. They also have an anti-slip finish that makes them safe to walk on even when wet. You don't need to worry about painting, sealing, or treating them every year. All you need to do is sweep them clean or wipe them down with a damp cloth. Thirdly, decking tiles offer a variety of styles and looks to suit your taste and budget. You can choose from different types of wood, such as teak, acacia, or eucalyptus. You can also opt for composite tiles that are made from recycled materials and look like wood but are more eco-friendly and weather-resistant. Some tiles even mimic the look of stone or grass for a more natural feel. Finally, decking tiles can transform your outdoor space in no time. They can cover up any cracks, stains, or unevenness on your existing surface and create a smooth and attractive flooring. They can also add some color, texture, and warmth to your patio, balcony, or garden. You can mix and match different tiles to create your own unique design and style. As you can see, decking tiles are a great option for anyone who wants to upgrade their outdoor space without spending too much time or money. They are easy to install, durable, low maintenance, and versatile. They can also protect your existing surface from further damage and enhance its appearance. If you're interested in buying some decking tiles for your home or garden, you can check out some on our website sohilgroup.com, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more home and garden tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you